Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on VIVO Y19. So you have to start with opening your Google application and now click on your avatar and then click settings. Now click on Google Assistant and now click on Hey Google and voice match. And here you have to click here to enable Hey Google option. And now click on retrain a voice model. And now you have to say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click next, next, more, I agree. And now you can click back. Now click on lock screen and then click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option is on. So now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. Hey Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.